Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale after deleting your account. Most often, when players think they deleted their account, they've actually just uninstalled the game or disconnected it from a device. Full account deletion is an irreversible process, generally managed by Supercell through specific data requests. We will explore ways to regain access, focusing on reconnection rather than true deletion recovery, which is rarely possible. If your Clash Royale account was linked to a Supercell ID, you are in luck. This system saves your game progress to a secure online server, not just your device. To regain access, open the game, navigate to settings, and choose the login option under Supercell ID. Enter the email address you used to create the ID, follow the verification steps, and your progress should be fully restored. It truly is that simple. What if you never connected your account to a Supercell ID? Do not worry, there is still a path. You will need to contact Supercell's player support team directly. Install the game again, start a new account if necessary, and then navigate to the settings menu. Look for the help and support option and select Lost Account to begin a conversation with an agent. They will guide you through the process, asking for specific details about your old account. To maximize your chances of recovery, gather as much information as possible about your lost Clash Royale account. Support agents will ask for crucial details such as your exact in-game name and clan name, if you remember them. Knowing your player tag, which starts with a hashtag, is incredibly helpful. Providing the approximate date you created the account, your highest trophy count, and any past in-app purchase receipts, like the date and item purchased, will significantly strengthen your case. While Supercell strives to help, there are instances where account recovery may unfortunately not be successful, especially if too little information is available. If this happens, consider it an opportunity to start fresh. Creating a new account allows you to build your deck and strategies from scratch, applying all the knowledge you gained previously. Many players find a new sense of enjoyment and challenge in beginning anew, perhaps even climbing higher than before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.